I said, give me your fork. Hey, isn't that cool?
What does it feel like, Texas? The claws hurt.
Yeah, Max needs a pedicure.
Yeah, but they don't got. Oh, look what's on his head.
Oh my God. Ah, this one's getting off balance. Is it painful?
He's combing your hair.
Is it painful? Not really.
Straight up, straight up, straight up. Straight up. Oh, now you got so many on it. Okay, Max.
But Max always wins.
Nobody's gonna mess with Max.
It's getting heavy.
You gotta get, you're weak, that's what it is. Yeah, get some more.
Okay, guys,
It's
ready?
You gotta get
easy,
strong.
and I'm not going to stand a chance. Alright, try it. It's not really going to hurt. Come on. Alright, so on.
Max did it again.
Ruby, it's not a vulture.
Who's Max?
Anna.
Ryan. This one.
Very sweet.
That's so weird.
You wanna do it?